can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you.
Hey there, it's Vicki Marie. I want to welcome you to Tiny Tidy Tuesday open collaboration hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. So do go over and check out her channel and check out the playlist with all the other participants so that you can get motivated or inspired to do your tiny tidies around your home. Now, I've been doing Self-Care September this month, and I just have got to I really want to kind of wrap these two topics together, decluttering and self-care. I do feel that the art of decluttering my home and creating the space that I want is part of my self-care. So I do believe that they fit, and I do believe that everyone has to tap what feels good and what feels right in your own home. But for me, the more I declutter, and the better I feel. Like I'm literally feeling better with each little tiny tidy that I do. And I don't always declutter for tiny tidy, but it's just a big part of what I'm doing right now in my life. So it's fitting. And so today I did have a shelf in our gym. And what I found was every time I go down to our gym level where my home gym is, I get on the treadmill and I'm walking and that shelf is right in front of me. And I'm walking on the treadmill, running on the treadmill, and I'm seeing this clutter right in front of me, and it's just a mess. And I decided that I wanted to clear that off. It's been bugging me for a while, and it really is a tiny tidy because it's just a couple of shelves right there, but this has been bugging me for a while. And because I did get some new boxes today, where I got some journaling, kind of bullet journal supplies. I did get some coffee too, and I got some contact solution, household things. But I had these two little boxes. I also had another bigger box here from another package. So I'm doing this as a box comes in with a delivery, I'm filling it up and getting it out of my house. This is how they're tiny little decluttering projects.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now.
So this box is full, and I decided just to sort it through, and my daughter did tell me that she would like some of these things. So I am going to put them aside for her. But this was tough to go through because this just reminded me of some of the things that my kids and I used to do together when they were home. So it's the little things like Shrek. That was a big part of, like, we used to sing that in the car all the time, and so many memories here. A few things that, you know, I didn't like, I was kind of neutral, but I mean, some of the games, the StarCraft game was my husband's, and I'll put that in the office for him, although I don't even know if he wants it now. But there were so many CDs, lots of music. So those are all going to go in a box, and I'm going to give those to my daughter. And but it was full of memories, and some things I even completely forgot about. I don't know what the pen was doing in there, but there was a pen on the shelf. But yeah, as I sort it through and put it back, there's so many memories going through my head. Like I'm clearing away the past. Can't go back, even to the good times, but they're nice to think about. But I have a lot of hope for the future, and maybe somebody else will enjoy these if they have a CD player. I know everybody's doing digital now, so yeah. Anyway, this was really fun and bittersweet, and I had a nice chat with my daughter. Things like games, video games. I used to play Sims 3. The kids, we all played Sims 3 when they were home. So I still have all of these. And I'm still on the fence whether to get rid of them or not, because now so much of this is you can download it on Steam. I don't know. And plus Sims 4 is out now, so I do occasionally play Sims 4. So I don't know that I want, for some reason I'm having trouble letting these go. I think I'm going to check with my sister, because maybe she'll want these for her kids. And then Enchanted Arms, this is an Xbox game. I'm going to put we do have a few Xbox games in our house, so I'm probably going to hold on to this. John and I play SimCity every now and then, like it's one of the games we play together. And so I might hang on to this. It is the official guide. So, and I don't know. I think I didn't even realize that we had an official guide to that game, so I'm probably going to hang on to that. And then there's the StarCraft Battle Chest. John used to play this. I don't know that he's played in a while. When the kids were home, they used to play this. So I'm going to probably put this in. We have one cabinet with some video games. I'll probably put that there and there. And I think that's it. So I feel like it is a small tiny tidy, but the feeling I have is it's a mighty feeling that I have from doing this tiny tidy. Yes, there were some emotions attached, because I mean, you know, and particularly some of this music. I love music, but I don't want to keep these CDs. But a lot of these songs I do remember, Jamie, like Camp Rock from Disney and different things. You know, I remember listening to this music with my kids. So yeah, there's a lot of memories there. So, but it feels good to let it go. So yeah, so that's my tiny tidy today. Again, do go over and check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist. I want to thank you so much for being here. Let me know, what did you tidy up? I would love to hear that in the comments today. Or did you just watch? That's okay too. Just you do you. And sometimes we just need to sit and take a breather, a break, you know? So it's all part of self-care. Thank you so much for watching today. Do subscribe, click that notification bell so that I can see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.
I know you're all about the good vibes.